Welcome to this guided hypnosis, the forging of gold. Please do not operate heavy machinery or drive whilst listening to this audio. Now, as you begin to notice the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body, you may also become aware of how your shoulders are beginning to soften. And as you recognize that softening, that causes your body to begin to unwind just a little more now. And as you continue to listen, you might find yourself drifting just slightly inward, because your mind knows how to follow awareness, and anything you become aware of, you begin to experience. And as you notice the air moving in and out of your nose, you may also begin to notice the sensations in your chest. And as that expands, you may begin to notice the sensations in your stomach. And as you become aware of your lower body, that causes you to relax even deeper, because your body and mind are connected, which means when one relaxes, the other follows. And as you go inward, you may begin to notice that place inside of you where money has felt heavy or tense, or maybe even something that causes you to pause. And as you become aware of that feeling, you may also recognize that this part of you was trying to protect you. So now, gently say internally, "Hello, you are allowed to be here. It is safe to feel you. I love you." And as you say that, you may begin to notice that the tension begins to shift, because what we allow begins to soften. Now, as you continue breathing, you may begin to notice a warm, grounded energy forming at the base of your body. And as that begins to form, it may feel like stability, safety, support, because your body knows how to feel safe, even if it forgot for a moment. And as that safety grows, you may begin to recognize, I am safe to receive. I am safe to hold value. Now, imagine before you a version of yourself, a knight or dragon keeper who moves with ease around money. Notice how they stand, how they breathe, how they receive. And as you observe them, you may begin to realize that this version of you is not separate. They are simply a pattern waiting to be installed. And as you step toward this version of you, you may begin to notice that your body naturally begins to align, because your nervous system learns through experience. So now, step into that version of you, and as you do, notice how your body feels, how your breathing changes, how your mind relaxes. And as that happens, that causes a new pattern to begin forming. And as you become aware of money now, you may begin to notice something different. Not pressure, not weight, but movement, flow, exchange. Because money is simply movement of value. And as you recognize that, you may begin to relax even deeper, because movement is natural to you. Now gently press your thumb and finger together, and as you do, notice this feeling of safety, ease, grounded control. And this becomes your signal. I am safe with money. Now, imagine yourself tomorrow or in the coming days, and notice speaking about money easily, receiving naturally, moving forward without hesitation. And as you see that version of you, you may begin to recognize that this is already happening, because your mind is already learning this pattern. And as you slowly return, bringing this new state with you, 1, becoming aware of your body, 2, noticing your breath, 3, bringing back movement, 4, gently returning, 5, eyes open, calm, grounded, and clear.